National Weather Service in Peachtree City, Georgia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Taliaferro County in east central Georgia until 8 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines. Locations impacted by this thunderstorm include Crawfordville, Sharon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of